328 here on the Disney Wish. We are starboard side and right across from a little hallway to some interior rooms. Coming in, we have our card in the light holder. It's a little bit dark out today. It's got some storms in the area. But when you walk in, immediately on the left is your closet space with some lovely Disney Wish robes to use. And have some more closet space here to hang clothes. Then on your right, you have the temperature control. This little freezing thing there is nice if you get hot in here. Bathroom. And this is traditional Disney split bathrooms. So 2 people can get ready at once, which is great. Full-length mirror, bathtub, makeup, towel. Great size bathroom. And we are in a Sleeping Beauty themed room. Blanket here, it says Disney Wish. We are in a connecting room. There's a television. And this room does not have the pull down bed there, but the sofa does convert to a bed. We have our Castaway Club gifts waiting for us and our lanyards, as well as room service menu, breakfast order form for room service, and stationery. We've got some glasses there, some more storage space here, lots of plugs if you're wondering about plugs. And the refrigerator is here in the drawer. And here we are. You can see it's a little dark outside. Here we are in Port Canaveral. It's a little bit rainy out today. It's all right. We're headed to blue skies. And that is our room. It's going to be a great few days on the Disney Wish.